We're gonna go do Jeep things in the snow.
I think we can get out of the valley if we go down there.
Oh yeah, no problem at all.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
You're joking. We're good.
I thought it was gonna shatter the windshield. It just shut off. You can't even see them, there's so much snow.
I can't see anything. I think we're running out of coolant.
Oh!
It happens.
Yeah. Oh my God! Oh my This is literally a dust cloud. Ah! That thing is cutting up. The camera is covered in snow.
Getting warm.
Is it?
It's snowy in here. The exhaust might be red.
We're
sitting at under the door there. I can hear it melting, but I can't see if the exhaust is glowing. All right, let's go up to the red.
Oh, what a unit.
Look at the temp. It's a little warm.
Be alright.
Had it hotter before, don't worry about that.
It'll be alright.
See if we can get the heck out of here. Okay, keep it.
Oh, we got it, no problem at all.
I don't know about no problem.
We can see really good, by the way. Oh! Oh!
We made it. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh. I can't, hey, push that mirror out. I can't see anything. Hey, the window open.
That ain't going back up. Oh.
Yeah, we'll swing it.
Yep.
Oh, crap.
Oh
boy.
Yep.
Oh, no, there's snow in here. That's going to be rough.
Whoa!
All right, we're good.
We are chilling. Them wipers are so good.
Oh, I know. Brand spanking. Sideswiping tree.
No way, the window is rolling up. Oh!
I think my tire's flat. Pretty sure.
Let me take a look. Yeah. You're good.
Why'd it do that?
You're good. Tire is not flat.
Is it not flat?
Nope.
Really?
No.
Are you lying?
I'm dead serious. No way. It's not that flat. That's much better.
What the heck is that noise? That tire is flat.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, it is.
It's not. It's like probably got 20 in it.
There's no.
I'm so for real.
Is the back? It don't matter. It don't.
This thing sounds like an animal.
It is an animal. Still shifts good. How much we beat the crap out of it.
Oh yeah.
I wonder how deep that is.
Oh!
It's pretty deep.
We got a handle for protection.
Almost up there. I thought it died for a second. I was like,
Why did it
shit.
die down in the valley?
I stalled it. I think I slammed it in reverse. Turned off the gas completely. I don't know. That's hard.
You know the brakes are working good whenever you slam on them, they go
That's
and nothing
full brake.
happens. Rain powder. It's a back like bumper or something.
It's in reverse. Oh, it died.
Shoot. Dang it. Hey, zip tie. No, that'll pop right back in. Oh my.
It's not gonna
It's
pop
going
back
to.
in. There's no.
Put it in. The fender liner.
Where's the self tappers when you need them?
3-inch self tappers.
What is happening? I just broke every single tab off.
Where did they go?
I don't know.
Yep, throwing them back.
Fixed. Look at that.
Let go. Look at that mint.
Oh wait, it goes
Green.
under there. No? No? Yeah? That's how it goes.
Basically new.
I mean, yeah, basically.
Throw it in the back.
Shoot.
Perfect. That's the walk.
And see if we can go to the.
That's the walk of shame.
Come on, hop in.
Oh, we got it. Oh my gosh! You got it.
I don't know if we can get out.
Oh yeah, no problem at all. Chuck it in 4 low. This is such a bad idea. Oh! Oh yeah. That thing just creeped right in there. We touch a tree? Oh, we got it.
Spot. It's gonna run out of gas.
Oh.
There went the other one.
I did it really. Did it really? Throw it in the bag.
Alrighty.
We got out of here, no problem at all.
Just don't want to rip the front one.
Gosh.
We did make it a good one.
I was shocked.
Bushes. Second, I'm on the road looking at the bushes. I'm in the bushes looking at the road.
Oh my god. Gonna scratch the paint.
Shoot. Dang it.
Oh, you got it.
Right on the throttle. Ooh. Started sliding.
Slipping and sliding. don't.
That's where we usually go over the creek right there in the 4-wheeler.
Oh, we got it.
No. God. Blinker. Turning.
Churney McChurnerson. Oh!
A little bit of Watete.
Wonder what we just ripped off the car.
Don't worry about it. Man, fire. Suppose we'll get a running start.
Okay, cool.
We might not make it. The running start was weak.
We got it, no problem.
When in doubt, throw it up. Just don't. I wish I had brakes sometimes.
Oh, here we go. Holding on to that.
Whoop. Okay. Back up a little further. This time.
We got it, no problem. Chuck it in first. Might as well just go up that big embankment. Just go.
That might not be good.
Just go. Oh, there's smoke.
I don't see it. We on fire.
What?
So close to those trees.
Oh my gosh.
We made it. We just park it down there.
We are?
I said, what if we just do it? That'd be great.
What's the smoke coming off of?
What was that? I think this is a good stopping point.
Yeah, this is a great stopping point.
Just leave it here for the next couple of months.
Mm-hmm. That's how you Jeep. If you ever wanted to know how to Jeep, that's how you Jeep. That's how you Jibberty.
The Jeep Liberty.
That's how you Jibberty. Okay, bye.